Tired of Apple Pay telling you you're too young to make a purchase? Let's fix that. First, let's dive into your iPhone settings. Tap on the Settings app icon, the gray gear. Next, at the very top of your settings menu, tap on your name. This will take you to your Apple ID profile. Then, select Personal Information. Here, you'll find your name, birthday, and other important details associated with your Apple ID. This is where the age verification happens. Carefully verify that your birthday is correct. And incorrect or missing birthday is the most common cause of this issue. If it's wrong, tap on it and update it to the correct date. Make absolutely sure the year is accurate. Back on the Apple ID screen, select Payment and Shipping. Double check that the name and billing address associated with your payment method is correct and matches the information on file with your bank or credit card company. Head back to your Apple ID profile now. Select Media and Purchases. Tap View Account. You may be asked to sign in using your Apple ID password. Scroll down and tap Country, Region. Make sure this is set to your actual location. If you've made any changes, restart your iPhone. Once it's back on, try using Apple Pay again. Hopefully, you're now enjoying hassle-free Apple Pay transactions.